Look at this funny skeleton. It's driving a blue car, and it's holding a big scythe. Let's begin by coloring this skeleton with a spooky green shade. Now, let's paint the car blue and add some yellow to the eyes to make it look super cool. Don't forget to add a little shading to the side with some gray. Great job! Your skeleton is now ready to zoom around in its colorful car. All finished and looking awesome! Here we have a strong Yeti lifting a heavy barbell. This Yeti is strong and ready for a workout. Let's start by coloring the Yeti's fur in a light blue color. Next, color the barbell black and give the Yeti's face a little bit of purple for some extra expression. Maybe some darker shades on the muscles too. Awesome! The Yeti is now all colored up, ready to lift weights and show off its strength. Well done!